Apple Pay on demo is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can pay with Apple Pay on Temu. So in order to do that, you simply have to buy any of the product that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy this mat, so I'm just going to add this into my card. After that I will go to my checkout section, and in the checkout you will easily be able to pay using various payment methods. However, there should be an option for Apple Pay as well, but recently the Apple Pay option is gone for some of you guys, but some of you guys are still able to pay using the Apple Pay now. It totally depends upon you. If you simply cannot find the Apple Pay right here, you can as you can see, you can pay with Apple Pay. If you cannot, and try reinstalling the application, you can try complaining it to Temu. So that's pretty much it. That's how it will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this so you have 4